At Silhouette Hardwood Flooring, we believe the proper selection, installation, and maintenance of your hardwood flooring depends first on a clear understanding of the natural characteristics of wood. All wood reacts to the relative humidity in the air. Humid weather causes wood to expand, while dry weather, or the dryness from heating, will cause wood to contract. As a result, if the humidity in a home is not strictly controlled, then over time, a solid wood floor will likely develop some separations or gaps between boards. It's a naturally occurring phenomenon that those people who have previously owned a wood floor have noticed and understand. With an understanding of these tendencies, we have developed a patented innovation. Our Contour Guard Total Protection technology works in harmony with wood's natural properties, so your floors remain healthy and beautiful for years to come.